The next full moon will be a rare blue supermoon. Hi, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, certified astrologer, and in this segment I'm going to be going over some of the implications of the next full moon coming up on August the 30th, 2023 at 9:35 p.m. So let's go ahead and get started here. The first thing when you're looking at the full moon is looking at what the signs are. And what I mean by signs is what the astrological signs are. So the moon, for instance, is in Pisces, and then opposition to that, which is always the case. The opposition is always considered the opposite sign, and this is in Virgo. So when you're opposing Virgo with Pisces, there's a number of things that's going on. Pisces is kind of a dreamy sort of planet, or dreamy sort of sign that is ruled by Neptune. So this makes Pisces sometimes more capable and more vulnerable to delusions. So collectively any sort of delusions that are around will be actually countered by Saturn, which is also known as the taskmaster. And then we'll look at the opposition. The Sun in Virgo brings the practical information out into the open. So ensuring that this opposition is maintained is something that is going on in the full moon. Some of the astrologers were talking about looking back at the full moon that may have taken place that did take place on February the 20th, and seeing some of the intentions from then to what the full moon that will be taking place in 2 days. What else is going on? Taking a look at some of the planets here. Not much going on in this quadrant. The 7th, 8th, 9th houses, like we've been seeing in previous lunar readings. You're actually seeing Pluto in the 10th house, which a lot of times means some sort of transformative. If you're looking for career changes or something that you might be taking into another journey, then this would be something that you can kind of try to unravel more than what is shown here. This Pluto is in Capricorn. I'm not spending too much time with outer planets here. They don't move that rapidly. In the first house, there's Jupiter and Uranus, and this is kind of out of the box thinking, understanding how to uniquely solve problems which may not be apparent in terms of how to address. Mars is always looking here, opposition to Neptune. I think we're seeing some of these same themes that we've been describing between the moon sun opposition. So in summary, this is what is going on, and please do get out there and enjoy the moon. There's actually, this is the closest to the Earth that the moon gets, and so there's going to be plenty of night skies to take a look at the moon. I hope this has provided you with some insight. Thank you for listening.